In this video, I'll be teaching you how to do M and U turning properly. Alright, so firstly, you want to pick an M hand, which is the hand or which the fingers will be turning this layer, the M slice, and the U hand or the up, and that will be turning this layer. So I usually like to put my right hand as my M hand and my left hand as my U hand. So how you're going to position your hands is, for your U hand, you want to take your thumb and your ring finger and you want to place it on this kind of block right here. You kind of want to place your thumb like on the two pieces right here and your ring finger back here. Now hold it like this for now and practice doing single turns like this and a push in the reverse direction. So you can go like that and then that. Then, so if you want to do, so if you're using your left hand as your up hand, for up inverted, or so yeah, you'll go like that. For up, you go like that. And for up two, no matter which hand you do your second finger, then middle finger, like that. Okay, that's for U hand. So maybe practice doing this kind of stuff. And for M, what you want to do is you basically want to hold your thumb here and your second or index finger back here. You kind of hold like this. It's kind of gripping on this kind of block. Then for M inverted, you either want to push your ring finger like this, or you can do your middle finger. And then for M, which is a little bit tricky, but I'm going to show you from the back, you kind of want to push up with your ring finger or your middle finger, kind of like that. It's a little bit tricky, but it shouldn't be too hard. And then for M2, you want to go ring finger, then middle finger, like that. And then once you've got that, you maybe practice this algorithm that I'm putting up on the screen. Actually, I'll give you a few. So that's the H palm and here's the Z palm. And you can switch the ups with the up inverted as well if you want. It won't be too hard. And then the U palms as well, like this. And yeah. So with this H palm that I did at the start of the video, you will know that it relies heavily on M2 flicks. So the one where you go the pinky finger and the middle finger. As you can see, there's plenty of them in there. So, and if you can see that in the middle of the algorithm there's an up 2, and that is an important part as well, because if you do just the like up and up or up inverted, then it's not gonna be as fast. I know it's a minor difference, and same goes to the M2s. I know it might not seem like much of a difference if you just do M inverted or MM. That's not recommended. Then, well, the H perm, especially the H perm, relies heavily on those moves. So you'll save a lot of time by doing those flicks right there. I hope you learned something about MU turning. Like, share and subscribe, and see you next time.